G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC, and today, another kit model. And you're probably thinking, has KC left the diecast scene? Never, metal, never. But it's hard to get these sort of size models in metal. But anyway, this is the first design, as you can see, 1965 Chevy Impala, and how I come across this model is absolutely amazing. I'll tell you why. This car came to me courtesy of Hobby Link International, up on the screen, and I'll put a link in the description down below. Now, I won this model, and this was the prize that I won, and they're in New York, and I'm in Tasmania, as you guys know. And what we did is you go over and check his channel out, subscribe, tell him KC from Tasmania sent you. I'm sure he won't have a lot of people saying that to him. And subscribe and check it out over there. He's a cool guy, cool channel, got a lot of cool things going on, not just cars, all different genres in modelling, so that's really cool. I subscribed. He was also one of our first people that joined us on our first lives as well. Couldn't believe it, our first lives, and we had someone from New York. Unbelievable. It's crazy how this modelling scene goes, but it's so cool, isn't it? So what we did, what happened is I won the model, because you get chippy chips over there. So go over there, check out, find out what you do, and you'll get chippy chips, and then you go on you use them to pay for tickets to go into, and he's just finished having one just prior. So I think it's every third Saturday, which is a Sunday morning to us in Australia, or Australian Eastern Standard Time Zone areas. So he checked it out, how much it was costing to ship it, and to ship it over here was going to cost about $128 Australian. So what he did, and he didn't have to do this, he went out of his way and went online and found a company called Hobbyco in Australia, and he bought the kit. I won that exact same kit that he had, and found that kit, and he bought it, and he got it sent from them to us here. How cool is that? He didn't have to do that, and that's so awesome. And I enjoy his channel, and he's got a lot of cool subscribers in there that are great fun to talk and chat with. And I'm also learning a lot of stuff from his channel on lives and how to do things and Streamlab and all that sort of stuff. So I appreciate learning from them as well. So how cool is that? Righto, so Hobby Link International, up on the screen, link in the description down below. Let's get it open and let's check it out in the meantime. And this build will happen sometime next year, because I'm just absolutely flat chat. Righto, let's get it open. Okay, there's the body. And now this one, you probably heard me say back at that Chrysler Imperial about, I said it's a basic one. This one here is a little bit more intense, which is cool. And this is the very first Foose design model that I've ever built, and also own. As a matter of fact, I don't own any other ones. And just give you a quick look. This 15 pages of this here. How sweet is that? All right, I don't want to run you through all the instructions. So another nice body shape that I like. A lot of other people are the same, I guess, at the end of the day. And it'll be a nice bit of fun, because this one here has like a firewall, an engine, and a full-on chassis. As you can see, that should probably pop apart. So there we go. So we've got like front chassis rails and everything else there, which is pretty cool. But it's a lot more intense than the other one, as you can see here. There's a heap more of interior parts, plus also engine parts, pedals, pulleys, all that sort of stuff. And your front floor pan with your rear seat and your parcel tray and your door trims there. It's got I like the decal sheet. The decal sheet is awesome. The decal sheet, get it at the right angle, there we go, has got all of the emblems and badges and all that sort of stuff, turn signals, number plates, disc rotor decals and all of that sort of stuff there, and the stripes to put on the side, as you can see on the box. I don't know if we'll do that yet, but I'm glad I've got all of those. That's super cool. Engine block, gearbox, headers, dash, top of the dash, plus the dash face panel, front bucket seats, and steering fan, and a few other bits and pieces there. So you can see what I mean by it's a bit more intense. And there's the front cross member, and I'd say the disc rotors. They've got the decals will go on those disc rotors. And we have more engine and more front end parts. As you see what I mean by how more intense this build is compared to that Chrysler Imperial. Not that there's anything wrong with the Chrysler Imperial, I'm still going to enjoy doing it. You've got radiator, full exhaust systems, all that sort of stuff. And no, I'm not leaving the diecast world. I love die cast too much. And then we got the firewall and the hood, and it's all nicely patterned up as well. So that's a bit of fun. And then we've also got, don't forget, we've got the bling bag, and they're a nice, really nice set of rims, and chrome tapper covers there, and an air cleaner there by the looks, which is pretty cool. There's two different sets of tyres. So geez, there's a lot in the kit, which is sweet. And we've got all the glass, which has the glass has the front and rear screen, of course, and then it also has your little turn signals and park lights and quarter glasses and all that sort of stuff. Wow, this is going to be a little time intensive little build. And then we, of course, there's obviously the standard wheels there, just here, and look at that front grille, and then that rear Viva panel garnish as well. How sweet is that? And the center console, and a whole lot of other cool stuff. That is absolutely magic. All right, I had to do it because wow, the effort that Kenny went to from HobbyLink International, that you can see up onto the screen, to make sure that I ended up getting a kit, even though it was too expensive to do it the postal way. He's a legend, and he didn't have to do that, but I do thank you very much, appreciate it. Wow, look forward to the build next year, and absolutely awesome. What a kit and a half that is. All right, that'll keep me occupied for a while and off the street. All right, hope you've enjoyed the show. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. Cool kit, I thought. And thanks again, Kenny from HobbyLink International. Be sure to go over there and say g'day and subscribe, and you never know, you might win a model. I didn't even expect to do that. I was just enjoying his channel, and that was a bonus. All right, until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.